Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stocks and try to explain everything you need to know in just 10 minutes. Bbai stocks have been making waves in the financial world, and for good reason. They're a type of stock that represents a company that's pushing the boundaries in its industry. But what really sets them apart is the hype surrounding them. Everyone seems to be talking about Bbai stocks, and it's easy to see why. They offer a unique combination of growth potential and excitement that's hard to find elsewhere. Investing in Bbai stocks isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is volatility. These stocks can swing wildly in value, making it tough for investors to predict what will happen next. Market perception also plays a huge role. If investors perceive a Bbai stock as high risk, they may shy away, even if the company has solid fundamentals. And let's not forget the impact of social media. A single tweet can send a stock soaring or plummeting. The performance of the company itself is a major driver of Bbai stock prices. If a company is showing strong growth and profitability, its stock is likely to rise. Industry trends also play a significant role. If a particular industry is hot, Bbai stocks in that sector are likely to benefit. And then there's market sentiment. If investors are feeling bullish, they're more likely to buy Bbai stocks, driving up the price. It's a delicate balance of factors that can influence the price of these stocks. One compelling insight that's worth paying attention to is the data on Bbai stock performance over time. Studies have shown that, despite the volatility, Bbai stocks have outperformed other types of stocks in the long run. This is likely due to the innovative nature of these companies and their potential for disruption. Another key point is the demographic trends. As younger investors enter the market, they're looking for stocks that align with their values and offer a sense of excitement. Bbai stocks seem to fit the bill. Additionally, the level of engagement from institutional investors is also telling. As more big players get involved, it lends credibility to the market. To wrap things up, Bbai stocks offer a unique combination of risk and reward. They can be volatile, but they also offer the potential for significant growth. As with any investment, it's essential to do your research and understand the company and industry before making a move. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Bbai stocks. Are you a seasoned investor or just getting started? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you're interested in learning more about stock market trends, be sure to check out my other videos.